What's up guys, we have Jihan's S2000 here and we are doing like a complete makeover on this car. He has all the dope ASM parts that are really hard to get and you don't really see them much in the States, but he has the front bumper, the rear bumper, the whole wing and deck lid setup, the hood, yeah, basically the whole kit minus like the fenders and quarters. We are going to paint the whole car too. Basically every panel is getting repainted minus the top, A-pillar and doors. Almost complete respray on this car. We are going to do badgeless too, so he's getting rid of the badges on the fenders. I think we are going to eliminate the badge up front too because it doesn't go on the front bumper, and then same with the deck lid too. And then check this out, it's a dry carbon wing. He is going to end up glossing this thing out because in Arizona you got to protect this. You can't really run dry carbon out here because it'll just get destroyed. Same with the deck lid too, but we are going to match this to the body color. The deck lid and the wing will be color matched to the body color. And we're going to end up masking this strip off here and then unmask it before we clear it, so that way when we clear coat it you'll have this gloss strip of carbon with the gloss paint and everything, and it'll look really cool. It'll all be blended in, and no badges on this also. So front and back will have no Honda emblems, and then the S2000 will be removed on the fenders. And like I said, we're going to end up glossing the whole wing here. There's a little 90-degree L-like gurney flap that goes on here, so that'll be cleared individually with the wing and then the flap, and then we'll bond it onto the wing here, so you'll have that little gurney flap on the end of the wing. So this is the ASM hood. It's fiberglass reinforced plastic. These are actually really nice parts. All of them fit really, really good, almost like factory. There's a little additional piece here that goes in the center and bolts in. So that will all be painted red, and then when you open it up, we're going to paint the underside too, so that'll also be gloss red. So this is the ASM front bumper for the S2000. And let's see if we can get on the stand here so you can see it better. So it's way more aggressive. It already comes with the mesh grill, but we'll probably end up taking that out when we paint it. But these bumpers, just with the gel coat, they're really, really good quality, almost ready to paint as is. You just prep it and shoot it. This rear bumper he found used, so it does have some damage that we need to fix. So you can see behind the plate bracket here, it's broken. There's a little crack here and some cracking going on right here. But again, this is just, I think, fresh gel coat. I don't even think this was painted white. So both of these will get prepped, and then these will get sprayed body color. There's also a little carbon diffuser piece that goes in here too, which, well, yeah, you can see this carbon piece bolts in right here, little carbon diffuser, looks pretty sweet. So we're gonna end up leaving the exposed carbon on the underside, but we are gonna mask off to about here, so you have the red wrap around the edge. When you open it up, you'll see, you know, the red, it'll look nice. So that will stay the same, and it's kind of cool how the wing bolts into. I've never seen this kind of design. It's like a cup, and the wing just sits inside that, and then the bolt goes through it. So kind of a unique way of doing it. Yeah, inside the car, everything is super, super clean, and everything's like brand new also. And he carries the like ASM theme throughout the whole car. So this is a like brand new ASM steering wheel and hub, I was told. And then same with the shift boot. This is like all brand new stuff. And then the AP2 center console, which is cool. I think it probably just looks a little bit different. And then the Recaros, really cool like plaid design and black leather. Looks good. And then he also deleted the soft top in the back, and he has the CR cover. So I guess that's a rare part, which is really cool. So the engine is the factory F20C, I believe. It is the F20, and it's the Science of Speed supercharger and the Powerhouse Amuse full titanium Euro S exhaust. S2000 ASM hood here. It's covered in guide coat and Nick's getting ready to block it. There's a few tiny little imperfections you can't really see because it's so bright and it's white, but there's a few little kind of like little dent looking things all over it. It's just normal from the mold. So right now we're going to get all that blocked out, and then once it's blocked out we're going to prime it and block it one more time. Parts are done. The camera overheated when I was painting, so I did not get to film the clear coat stage, but here it is, showing some close-ups of it all done. So you can see a little bit of texture in the deck lid, and it's from the weave. So I'll probably level this out and clear it one more time to get rid of that. It's kind of hard to see it on camera. But other than that, it came out really good, and this bumper looks really nice. It's hard to gloss out these pockets in here just because it's like super deep and you don't want to get a run in there, so you have to kind of bullet point in these areas, but I was able to get it really, really wet and glossy, so it looks good in there.